Welcome back to WooNinjas, your go-to experts in WordPress, LearnDash, WooCommerce, and BuddyBoss. Whether you're setting up an online store with LearnDash, or you have a BuddyBoss membership site, or you're running a WooCommerce store, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to show you how AI-powered learning analytics can improve online education by personalizing learning paths and helping students stay on track. Let's get started. Okay, so what is AI-powered learning analytics? AI-powered learning analytics uses machine learning and big data to track and analyze how students interact with your course, and it collects information like how long students spend on certain lessons, how often they answer questions correctly, and how they interact with videos, quizzes, and other content. AI looks for patterns and helps you figure out how each student learns best and lets you adjust the course in real time, giving more support where needed and helping students improve a whole lot faster. So, for example, if a student struggles with math but does well in science, AI can adjust the content to give more math practice while just reinforcing the science topics. So let's jump into tools that actually personalize learning experiences. So AI is already being used by some of the biggest names in online learning to create more personalized experiences. The first one is Newton. It uses adaptive learning to recommend courses based on how a student is doing. If the student struggles with certain topics, it will adjust recommendations and really just fill those gaps. This is their website. It's not on WordPress, but it is a great tool. And here's what the dashboard looks like. So the second online learning tool that you've probably heard about is Coursera. And Coursera suggests courses and learning materials based on user behavior. It tracks what students are doing and are interested in and how well they're actually doing, so it can offer better course recommendations. This is their site, and they mainly focus on helping people get higher paying jobs. And they use AI-powered learning analytics in the back end to recommend more courses for you or to help you with the current courses that you're on. And the third online learning platform that uses AI-powered analytics is Duolingo. Many of you have heard about it, and it actually adjusts the language exercises based on how a student is progressing. If a student struggles with, say, verb conjugation, it will provide practice on that specific skill. So this tool doesn't just recommend content, they justify gaps in learning and provide targeted support. When you start out with Duolingo, it customizes a learning plan just for you based on some questions, and then alters the lesson plan and how you actually do on the different courses and tests. Alright, so now let's jump into the recommended tools for WordPress and LearnDash and how to integrate AI-powered learning analytics into those. So if you are using WordPress or LearnDash, here are two of the best tools for adding AI-powered learning analytics into your courses. Alright, let's first jump into Canny reporting for LearnDash. What it does is Canny reporting tracks how students interact with your course using XAPI and SCORM data. So XAPI, for those that don't know, tracks detailed user interactions like clicks, video views, quiz answers, and captures data beyond just course completion. SCORM data, on the other hand, tracks basic course activity, mainly course launches, completion scores, and the time tracked to complete the course. So what this can actually do is find out which lessons students engage with the most, how many students complete the course, and where students tend to be stuck most of the time. So why this is helpful is Canny can help you see where students are struggling, so you can adjust the course and improving the learning outcomes as a result, and they have a lot of different integrations. The next plugin or add-on for WordPress is Advanced Analytics for Course Creators through the Pro Panel 3.0. And what this does is the Pro Panel gives you a central dashboard to monitor your students' progress in real time. You can track the course completions of quiz results, you can see what students are struggling with, you can even send follow-ups to keep students engaged who may be dropped off. So why this is helpful is ProPanel makes it easy to adjust the learning paths and give extra support to students who actually need it the most. So you may be wondering how to set this up on your site. The first step is to set up your goals. Are you trying to increase engagement, improve quiz scores? Second, install Canny reporting. Start tracking your students' performance and identifying the different patterns they have. Number 3, set up ProPanel by LearnDash. Use ProPanel to monitor progress and automate the follow-up so people stay engaged. And number 4, adjust based on the data. So use insights from Canny and ProPanel to really improve the course. And number 5, keep an eye on it. AI can make suggestions, but human input is still key at this stage. So in conclusion, AI-powered learning analytics can help you create more engaging and effective online courses by personalizing the learning experience for each individual student. So using these tools like Canny reporting and Pro Panel by LearnDash make it a lot easier to track progress, spot issues, and adjust the course in real time for each individual student. So if you need any help setting up your LearnDash or WordPress site or integrating these features into your existing site, feel free to reach out. We've been doing this for over 10 years. We've built 500 websites and 85 plugins. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.